What's up, PC builders? Trisha Hirschberger here with a quick look at the prismS case from Rosewill. First off, you'll notice that you can grab the prismS in black or white, depending on your taste, and both have this geometric front panel, which is unique to the prismS. And both feature brilliant, vivid RGB lighting in the form of 4 dual ring case fans. The lighting is compatible with the most popular software packages out there, like Asus AuraSync or Gigabyte's RGB Fusion, or you can even control it with the remote that's included with the case, which can change colors, effects, and fan speeds. The prismS provides plenty of options for builders. This bracket for mounting disks and drives can be removed, exposing a hard point for a 240mm radiator. This case is all about great thermals. The PSU sits on top, which means the heat it makes goes out right away instead of over your other hardware. Speaking of power supplies, check out this PSU bay, deep enough to hold any power brick with plenty of pass-through for cables. Rosewill is a part of the Newegg corporate family, and they've been making PC cases for about 15 years now. It's pretty obvious who a case like the prismS is meant for: builders and gamers, especially those interested in overclocking their components. The Rosewill prismS comes with all the little features and tricks that PC tinkerers want, like premium tempered glass, storage device mounting points, and thoughtful PSU accommodations, along with all the RGB gamer cred you could ever ask for. If either of these cases look like something you have to have, both versions of the Rosewill prismS are on sale right now on Newegg.com. Click the links in the description below for pricing and availability.